We've come across a problem where there is lots of reverberation, resonance or echo. That was a very, very quick experiment in real time, and I'm sure you could hear the difference. We've come across a problem that many people do in studios, in offices and any other area where there is lots of reverberation, resonance or echo, like this room. So we're just going to treat it in real time, and also we're going to do a Zoom call so you can see or hear the difference. So let's go over to our Zoom call. Hey Mike, how you doing?
Not too bad. Yourself?
Yeah, not too bad, thanks. How does it sound in here? How does it sound across the Zoom call?
Not great at the moment. You've definitely got a background noise there.
Cool. So I'm going to ask the boys to start bringing them in as I talk about these panels. So just so you know, the panels like this is a 300 by 300, are actually high density pressed fiberglass board, which are acoustically conditioned with coverings in different colours. How's that sounding?
Yeah, you can tell the difference straight away.
It's an immediate, isn't it? I can feel it in the room. So what would be an interesting thing now is for me to cut to the beginning of this Zoom call so you can hear the difference. So I'll do that right now. Hey Mike, how you doing?
Not too bad. Yourself?
Yeah, not too bad, thanks. This is an office that we're just about to kit out because we're moving somebody into here. And as you can hear, it's awful. Okay, so you could probably hear the difference, which was huge. Lots of the echo, the reverberation, the reflections, as we call them, have gone. If you want to know more about it, go to Studiospares.com or call one of the guys here in the office and they will happily advise you on whether you need a couple of panels or a whole kit. But just give us a call, hit us up on the site, and we look forward to hearing from you.